Today I am reviewing Pixio PX278 Wave Blue 27-inch gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Pixio PX278 Wave Blue 27-inch gaming monitor is a perfect balance of performance, style, and affordability. From the moment you power it on, this monitor delivers an immersive experience designed for both casual and competitive gamers. It's not just a monitor, it's an upgrade for your entire gaming setup. One of the first things you'll notice is the stunning QHD resolution. At 2560 by 1440 pixels, every game looks sharper, every color pops, and details are incredibly crisp. This is paired with an IPS panel, which gives you wide viewing angles of up to 178 degrees without any color distortion. Whether you're playing at your desk or watching from an angle, visuals remain vibrant and true to life. The display is designed with clarity in mind, offering excellent contrast and sharpness, making both fast-paced shooters and cinematic games shine. But the real game changer here is the refresh rate. At 180 Hz, the PX278 delivers buttery smooth motion that makes every frame feel fluid and responsive. Whether you're racing through a high-speed track or dodging enemies in a shooter, this monitor gives you a competitive edge. And with a lightning-fast 1 millisecond response time, ghosting and trailing are virtually eliminated, giving you instant reactions to every input. For gamers, that split-second advantage can make all the difference. Adaptive sync technology is another major plus. With AMD FreeSync, the monitor dynamically adjusts its refresh rate to match your GPU's output. That means no more annoying screen tearing or stuttering. Everything feels smooth and seamless. It's a feature that really enhances the gaming experience, especially in fast-action games where every frame counts. Connectivity is also thoughtfully designed. The PX278 Wave supports both DisplayPort and HDMI connections. It offers one DisplayPort 1.4 connection running up to 1440p at 180 Hz and two HDMI 2.0 ports supporting up to 144 Hz at the same resolution. This makes it flexible enough to connect to PCs, laptops, and even gaming consoles without hassle. You can switch devices without needing to unplug or reconfigure, which is perfect for multi-use setups. Beyond performance, the Pixio PX278 Wave Blue has a bold aesthetic. Its sleek blue design gives it a distinctive gaming style that stands out without being overbearing. The matte finish reduces glare and keeps visuals clear even in bright environments. And with its tilt adjustment and Visa mount compatibility, you can customize your setup for maximum comfort. This monitor is also designed for your comfort during long gaming sessions. It includes features like a blue light filter and flicker-free technology to reduce eye strain. Built-in speakers are a nice addition for casual gaming or quick video viewing, although most serious gamers will prefer a headset for immersive sound. With its strong performance specs, eye-catching design, and gamer-friendly features, the Pixio PX278 Wave Blue is a standout choice in the mid-range gaming monitor category. Whether you're looking for smooth competitive play, immersive visuals, or just an upgrade for your gaming station, this monitor delivers exceptional value. For gamers who demand high performance without breaking the bank, this monitor is a game changer. In short, the Pixio PX278 Wave Blue isn't just another monitor, it's a powerful tool that elevates your gaming experience. Crisp visuals, lightning-fast refresh rates, and sleek design all come together to make this one of the best options for gamers in 2025. If you want a monitor that delivers speed, clarity, and style, the Pixio PX278 Wave Blue is well worth considering.